In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. If you've ever sent Bitcoin and someone asks you for your transaction ID, also known as the hash ID, don't worry, it's very easy to find once you know where to look. First, open your Cash App and go to the main home screen. At the bottom right corner, you'll see a small B icon, that's for Bitcoin. Tap on it to open your Bitcoin section. Once you're in the Bitcoin screen, scroll down until you see the Activity section. This is where all your Bitcoin transactions are listed, including the ones you've sent and received. Look through the list and tap on the specific transaction you want to check. For example, the one where you sent Bitcoin to another wallet. Tap on that transaction. When you open that transaction, you'll see some details like the amount, date, and status. If the transaction says withdrawn, that means your Bitcoin was successfully sent from your Cash App wallet to another address. Tap on the word withdrawn. Now on the next screen, you'll see an option that says Block Explorer. Tap on it. This will open a new page showing your Bitcoin transaction details directly on the blockchain. Here, you'll see a long string of letters and numbers labeled as transaction or transaction ID. This is your unique Bitcoin transaction ID. If you look next to it, you'll see a small clipboard icon. Tap that icon to copy your transaction ID. Once it's copied, you can paste it anywhere you need, whether that's in a message, email, or a chat if someone needs proof of the transaction. You can even share it on platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram if needed. And that's it. That's how you find your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.